Hi everybody, it's me, Mrs. Salazar, and I'm here with you to talk about how to find the equation of a line given 2 points. So let's look at the question. It says, write the equation of the line that passes through 3, 7, and 5, 11. The first thing I want to do is plug it into my slope formula. After I find my slope, I will plug the slope in here. I also will use one of these points to plug in y and x. Okay, let's identify some things. This will be my x1, that 7 will be my y1. 5 is my x2, 11 is my y2. Let's plug those numbers in for that formula. I'm going to use purple for slope. We get (11 minus 7 over 5 minus 3, which equals 4 over 2, and that reduces to 2. Okay, so that's your m. I'm going to use the smaller of these 2 points to plug in for y and x. So I'm going to use 3 and 7. 7 goes in for y, 2 goes in for m, 3 goes in for x, so that x, that y, that m, plus b. All right, let me get out of the way. I get 7 equals 6 plus b. Now subtract 6 from both sides. You can make your train tracks. Okay, so now we have the b equals 1, m equals 2, and we need to write our equation in y equals mx plus b. I will write that in a different color. Our equation is y equals, 2 is our m, 2x plus b is our 1. All right, thank you.